Hello everyone! This is me again, Teacher Maisie. This is Grade 2 Math video lesson for Week 3, Day 1. Today's topic is still about number sequences. So if you remember our lesson from last time, a number sequence is a group of numbers that follow a certain rule when changing or repeating. Again, for this lesson, we will be using two rules to find the answer or complete a certain number sequence. The first one is increasing by. This is the same as saying more than or using plus to find the answer. The other rule is decreasing by. This is the same as saying less than or using minus to find the answer. So from last week's lesson, we had the number sequence for increasing and decreasing numbers by twos. We will continue this with this following number sequences. So we have for letter B, try to think what is the next number in this sequence. Let me show you the example. So from here you can see the number starting with 125. The next one is 130. This is followed by 135. The next one is 140. Now we have to find out the last number. From here you can see that each number is 5 more than the number before it. The number sequence is increasing by 5. So this is how we get the answer for this number sequence. We have to do increasing by 5, get the number more than 5, or simply do plus 5. From the same example, 5 more than 125 is 130. 5 more than this is 135. 5 more is going to be 140. And the last answer, if we have to add 5 more, should be 145. Let's see a few more examples for numbers increasing by 5. So again, we have to add 5 more to get the answer. So we have 450. 5 more than this is 455. 5 more will be 460. What do you think is the next number? If we have to add 5 more, the next number is now 465. 5 more than this will be 470. And 5 more for the last answer should be 475. Now, if you do understand increasing by 5s, try to answer this drill. Remember, increasing by is the same as saying more than or simply doing plus. And in this example, you have to do plus 5. Try to think of the answer for number 1. And then complete the number sequence for number 2. Also for number 3. Try to think of your answers. And if you are ready, we can now see if you got the answers right. Again, we are doing increasing by 5s. So we simply have to do plus 5. For number 1, starting with 205, plus 5 more will be 210. And then 215. The next number is now 220. And the last answer is 225. Now for number 2, starting with 375. The answer is 380. This is followed by 385. 390 is given, And the last answer is 395. Now for number 3. The first number is missing. So this means it should be less than 990. It should be 5 less than the first given number. This should be 985. If we do 5 plus 5, we will get 990. 5 more than this is 995. 5 more will be 1000. And 5 more than this is now 1005. Did you get all the answers right? I really hope so. Let's go to the next kind or the next example of number sequence. Try to think of the value of x in this sequence. So we started with 375. This is followed by 370. The next number is 365. The next number is 360. And we have to try to think of the value of letter x to find out what kind of number sequence is shown. From this example, you can see that each number is 5 less than the number before it. The number sequence is decreasing by 5. You can see from the examples that the numbers are going down and they are decreasing by 5. This is how we get the answer for this number sequence. You have to do 5 less or do minus 5. Now using the same example, 5 less than 375 is 370. 5 less than this is 365. 5 less is now 360. What do you think is the next answer? 5 less than 360 is 355. Now let's have a few more examples for numbers decreasing by 5. Again, you had to think of 5 less than the number before it, or simply do minus 5. So if we start with 265, 5 less than this is 260. 5 less will be 255. 5 less will be 250. 5 less than this is now 245. And 5 less than this is 240. If you had enough examples for numbers decreasing by 5s, try to think of the answer for this drill. Find the answer for number 1, and then complete number 2. And then finish answering number 3. Again, you have to do decreasing by 5s. Think of the number that is 5 less than the given number, or simply do minus 5. Try to think of your answers. If you are ready, you can now see the correct answers. So for decreasing by 5s, minus 5, or find the number is 5 less than the number before it. For number 1, we have 115. Minus 5 is now 110. Minus 5 is now 105. Minus 5 again is 100. And the last number should be 95. Now for number 2, starting off with 895, minus 5 is now 890. Minus 5 again is 885. Minus 5 is 880. And the last number is 875. Now for number 3, the first two numbers should be 1000. Minus 5 is 995. Minus 5 again is 990. The next number is now 985. And the last number is 980. I do hope that you got every answer correct for this drill. If not, try to practice. Now the next part for letter C. Try to find the value of x in this sequence. So from the example, let's start off with 236, and now we have 246. The next number is 256. The next number is 266. You have to try to find the value of the letter x for this number sequence. So from this number sequence, you can see that each number is 10 more than the number before it. This number sequence is increasing by 10. So this is how we get the answer for this sequence. Now how about finding the value of letter x? So again, increasing by is the same as saying more than or doing plus. So in this case, we have to do plus 10. 236, 10 more is 246. 10 more than this is 256. 10 more is 266. And for the value of x, 266 plus 10 equals 276. Now let's have a few more examples for numbers increasing by 10. Try to think of the missing 3 numbers. So we have to do 10 more than the number before it. 750, 10 more than this is 760. 10 more is 770. The next 3 numbers are 780, 790, and the last one is 800. Now that you have seen enough examples for increasing by 10, try to answer this drill. You have to do increasing by tens, find the number that is 10 more than the number before it, or simply do plus 10. Find the answer for number 1, for number 2, and also for number 3. Try to think of your answers. If you are ready, we can now see the correct answers. So here are the correct answers for this drill. Remember that we have to do increasing by tens. For number 1, these are the correct answers. These are the correct answers for number 2. And here are the correct answers for number 3. I hope that you got all of them correct. Next part. What do you think is the value of x in this sequence? Try to think of your answer. So from here you can see that each number is 10 less than the number before it. This sequence is called decreasing by 10. And this is how we get the answer. So for the value of x, we have to do minus 10. From the last number 583, minus 10 is 573. Let's have a few more examples. Again, numbers decreasing by 10. If you will look closely, the next 3 numbers should be. Now let's try to answer this drill. Again, you have to do decreasing by tens. Think of the answer for number 1, for number 2, and for number 3. And if you are finished, let's see the correct answers now. So for number 1, here are the correct answers. Also for number 2, and then for number 3. How many correct answers were you able to get?